Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to see few pharmaceutical vacancies. So every day in our channel, we are going to update job updates. So please have a look at each opportunity so that the one that fits you will definitely will get. You can get it to it through walk-in interviews or through sending your resume to the mail ID provided by them. So please have a look at all the opportunities available. So nowadays, so many jobs are there, but you need to find the right opportunity. So first vacancy is from Beltec Healthcare Private Limited, Vada. So this is an opportunity on 6th and 7th June, and the interview venue is Beltec Healthcare Limited, Vada. You can contact the HR department. Email IDs are provided here. Vacancies are there in for freshers, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, BSc, MSc candidates and male candidates, and there are several vacancies in departments like tablet, pellets, packing, engineering, warehouse, quality assurance, IPQA, 1 to 5 years of experience. Likewise, next coming to the next vacancy, which is from Deccan. So they are hiring for apprenticeship in various trades, ITI trades. Next, BSc chemistry and MSc chemistry freshers, diploma or BE BTech chemical. So how to apply? Share your resume to the mail ID with the subject line application for apprentice trade or stream. Next vacancy is from Shodhana Laboratories Private Limited. They are hiring for quality control API, R&D API, QA, EHS and production department. Date 27 to 30th May, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Interview location Shodhana Laboratories Private Limited, IDA Jeedmetla, Phase 1, Hyderabad. And coming to the next vacancy, which is from Hetero. They are hiring freshers for their API unit. This is a walk-in interview for production, BSc Chemistry, BSc, BCom, BPharm Intermediate, Quality, MSc Engineering, IT. Eligibility 23 to 26 pass roads only. Interview location, Hetero Corporate Office. Date and time 31st May. And coming to the next vacancy, which is from Globella Group, they are hiring for R&D, production, QC, QA, maintenance and utility. Likewise, vacancies are there. So please look at the opportunity. Interested can apply by sharing your resume to the mail ID hr@globalpharma.com. Global Pharma. Sorry. And next vacancy is from Leica Labs Limited GIDC, which is located in Ankleshwar. They are hiring for highly experienced candidates with B.Pharm, M.Pharm, with PG diploma in regulatory affairs. Interested can share your CV to the following mail ID along with your CTC total experience. The mail ID is provided here. And this is also a walk-in on 2nd June at Leica Labs Limited, GIDC Ankleshwar. You can also attend the walk-in. So coming to the next opportunity. So give me a second. So next opportunity is from Sri Krishna. So they're hiring for production operators, production staff, granulation and compression, male candidates 10 positions. Next is they're hiring for production API, walk-in on 1st to 6th June. Next is Sun Pharma hiring for production 7 to 12 years in API Pharma, 30th May interview. Next is walk-in interviews at indoor for Rajanta Pharma in manufacturing, packing, maintenance assistant, process maintenance, IT. And they're also hiring for manufacturing, packing associate or operator, maintenance plant, store, warehouse, quality control and quality assurance senior officer or officer, B.Farm, M.Farm. This is on 7th June, Sunday. Next is granulation and compression. They're hiring production operator, production already this one completed. Next is Lifeas Pharma. They are hiring for fermentation production qualification, BSc, MSc, BTech in biotechnology, managing large scale fermenters 20 kl to 300 kl fermentation microbiology. Next is Sun Pharma, Genotech, a Sun Pharma company is hiring for quality assurance, senior officer compliance 3 to 5 years. Work location, Genotech Laboratories Limited, Turkapalli, Shamirpet. Next vacancy, which is from Level Life Sciences, they are hiring for officer recruitment. So any graduate can apply 0 to 2 years. So these are freshers opportunities for back office, warehouse, and HRA. And coming to the next opportunity, which is from MSN, they are hiring for production OSD, diploma or BSc, BTech, B Pharma, manufacturing operators and supervisors, packing operators and supervisors, 2 to 6 years. Work location, MSNF Unit 1, Bolaram. Interview location, plot number 42, Industrial Estate, Bolaram Village, Hyderabad. Next vacancy is from Newland Laboratories. They are hiring for peptides R&D, 1 to 8 years in peptide synthesis. Next is as per a walk-in interview, QA validation, QA QMS, QA IPQA. Likewise, vacancies are there. Next is from IPCA Laboratories. So this is on 31st May interview. They are hiring for freshers, 10th or HSC, ITA, Diploma, BSc, BA, BCom, and B.Pharma candidates. So please do utilize this opportunity, freshers. Thank you for watching. For job updates, subscribe to Pharma Alert.